My question is, are we trying to hide the inabilities or policy failures of not providing perfect job to the people of our country under the shield of coronavirus? Not just are we living in the middle of a pandemic, but we could also be in the middle of job epidemic. In the later part of the video, I'll question whether this COVID has created the problem of job crisis in India, or we Indians have already been facing this problem throughout. But before that, let me take you through what happened during the lockdown. Extended nationwide lockdown has left the employees of our country extremely anxious. Salary cuts, deferred appraisals, layoffs have hit the morale of employees very hard. Layoffs were seen across the country in different sectors despite Prime Minister's request to private sectors not to sack people. According to a report or a data released by CMIE, the unemployment rate went up to 27.1% in the month of May, and in the month of April it came down to 23.5%. About 121.5 million Indians were out of jobs in the month of April. The rate of unemployment is much higher in urban areas, which is 29.22% as compared to rural areas, because most of the urban areas consist of red zones. Comparing the data of April 2020 with that of March 2020, in total 91 million Indians lost their jobs in just a span of 1 month. But wait a minute, what if I tell you that unemployment and job crisis had always been the problem in India, and it's not only about COVID? Yes, the unemployment and job crisis had always been the biggest problem in India, and with COVID, it just became a little more worse. But all those leaders going around and covering this issue under the shield of coronavirus is all a scam. Wait, let me burst the bubble for you. Before the lockdown even happened, India was always used to having the unemployment rate close to 2 to 3% historically. But according to released 2019 October data, India was already witnessing the unemployment rate close to 7.1% or even higher than that. Here are the reports. Unemployment rate at 4 decades high of 6.1% in 2017 to 2018. This is according to NSSO survey. In the history of past 45 years, India never witnessed such high unemployment rate. In March 2018, these figures again rose to 7.2% according to CMIA reports. India have a very bad structure in providing employment to its own youth. But before winding up, let's see how hard the government of India is trying to stop or to prevent this job crisis from spreading in India. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the month of May launched an employment scheme with an outlay of 50,000 crores for migrant workers who return to their home states. But note, it was nowhere mentioned if the people who have already lost their jobs will be benefited by the scheme or not. I know you all have a counter in your mind saying that in the month of April, the unemployment rate was somewhere around 23.5 and now it is somewhere around 8.1% and it is better. But just so you know that COVID or no COVID, the structure of India where we provide the employment to the youth or to anybody in our country was never good anyway. So if you, I and the government stay in denial and don't take any corrective measures in time, India will be in the edge of losing everything even after the pandemic ends. The question remains, have the policies of the government has failed to provide jobs to the people of our country?